Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question every teenager should be asking. How do I master the art of making money? No, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building real skills now. As a teen, that'll pay off for life. Let's get into it. Think of money like a skill, not just paper or numbers. If you learn how to earn, manage, and grow money early, you're literally years ahead of the game. But the secret? It all starts with skill building. Skill 1, learn to solve problems. Money flows where problems are solved. Whether it's fixing a neighbor's computer, editing videos, or building websites, learn to look for everyday problems, then offer solutions. Problem solving isn't just for engineers. It's a money-making superpower. Skill 2, communication and sales. No matter what you do, your ability to communicate will decide how far you go. Start small, sell something online, pitch your ideas, or simply learn how to negotiate. Don't be afraid of sales. It's not about being pushy, it's about understanding people, their needs, and offering value. Skill 3, learn a digital skill. We're living in a digital-first world, so whether it's coding, video editing, graphic design, or even content writing, pick one skill and go deep. You can literally learn everything online for free: YouTube, free courses, internships. The tools are there if you're willing to put in the time. Skill 4, financial literacy. Making money is great. Keeping it, even better. Learn the basics of saving, investing, budgeting. Apps like Zero to Varsity or videos on personal finance can make it fun and simple. As a teen, you have something adults wish they could buy: time. Use it wisely. Stack your skills, take small risks, and don't wait for permission to start. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real talk on life, money, and growth. Drop a comment below. What skill are you building right now? Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp,